Okay, this is from section 3.3 from OpenStax. That's starting off with a messy writing beginning. Okay, so look, I'm using the chain rule here. I'm going to use the chain rule, and this problem is a little bit more tricky because I have 3 layers of functions. The outside function, most outside, is y equals u to the 6th power, let's call it. And then inside of that is sine. So let's say u equals sine, and then I need to find a variable to put inside that sine. Let's put w. So then inside of that is sine, and inside of sine is x cubed. So let's say w equals x cubed. The chain rule is actually as simple as this: is you take the derivative of each of those functions, u to the 6, sine w, and w equals x cubed. You take all those derivatives, each of them separately, and then multiply together. That's all it is, really, except it starts getting sort of complicated when you actually do it. But you're just going to take derivative of each of those pieces. The first derivative I'm going to use is for u to the 6, and I get 6, whatever's inside, to the 5th power, multiply. I'll just not even write anything what goes inside yet. Or maybe I'll do it lightly and make it darker later. You just write down sine x to the 3rd, but that's too dark, too light, I mean. So you just, okay, anyway, I don't know, that idea is that great. But anyway, you focus on 6, whatever, to the 5th power, multiply. Now we get to the next level, sine. What's the derivative of sine? I think you all know that, I think. It's cosine, and we leave, let's put a blank space there. What goes inside is w, or is x cubed. I'll just put x cubed right there for a moment. And then, see, I'm just taking the derivative of u to the 6th, now the derivative of sine, and now the derivative of x cubed. And that derivative is 3x squared. Okay, so I don't know, it wasn't that easy. It's sort of difficult, but that's what you do. So let's see, 6 times 3x squared makes 18x squared. Then I'll have sine 5th power x cubed cosine x cubed. And what I could do, which will make the problem look even more difficult though, is I could over here separately take those derivatives of, u to the 6 sine w x cubed. I could show those derivatives and then multiply together and plug in what u and w and are. So, but I think I'll just leave it at that. Let's see what happens if I convert this to text. Oh, it's almost good. I'll just do that. All of a sudden, looks not so bad. Okay. All right. So, any comments or questions? Let's finish up the